There's this mysterious thing that orbits the Earth. We know it as the moon. But what is it really? Is it possible that ancient life lived upon it? Perhaps something else. Many have traveled there to find out just what it is. And some theorize that it is not as solid as it appears, and actually hollow, and will ring like a bell. There have been many missions to the moon, and many astronauts have gathered samples, but humans are still unsure of what it is really composed of. Perhaps it is made out of cheese, perhaps it is just rock. But perhaps it is something altogether different. Samples have been taken from the moon of cheese-like structure. Even these have been altered by dust and debris in space, though magnification shows an interesting structure. Scientists have correlated places on Earth similar to the moon's surface, and these are well known: rocks, volcanic activity, and craters. Though perhaps the moon is quite different and not relatable to these. Many believe that the moon does have craters due to volcanic activity, and others believe that it's from asteroids and debris that have hit it. But many are still uncertain of what the moon is really made out of. Scientists have tried to replicate what the moon was like in its early life. Perhaps it is, in fact, some sort of cheese. The largest crater upon it, Copernicus, has a very interesting structure with many mini craters nearby it. Perhaps these are Swiss-like holes formed during the formation of the moon. It is a lumpy region with a very interesting structure. The two sides of the moon are very different from each other, and scientists can't explain why. So the cheese theory seems to be very likely. After all, what do we really know about this strange neighbor of Earth out there deep in space?